Oh boy, Toshiba refuses to replace large hard drive that was under warranty. Company offers refund at the purchase price, not the higher current retail price. Remember, if you enjoy content like this, you can help me out by doing what's up here: like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and of course, comment down below. So let's give this some context, shall we? AI data centers are currently consuming, get this, 70% of the world's memory and storage supply, creating a massive shortage for regular buyers. That's you and me. This high demand has shifted pricing power to suppliers, with memory manufacturers expected to earn over $550 billion from the boom. Now, since the companies are making so much money, you think that they have no problem replacing things that fail, that are still under warranty. Toshiba recently refused to replace a failed 20-plus terabyte massive enterprise hard drive that was under warranty, citing zero available stock and a potential 1-year wait for a replacement. Instead of providing a new drive, the company offered a refund of the original purchase price, forcing the consumer to rebuy the drive at today's much higher market rates. Now, of course, this is despicable behavior, but it's not only by Toshiba. Other vendors are also tightening their policies, like Silicon Power has been cited for charging 15% depreciation fee on defective RAM returns because, of course, DDR5 has skyrocketed from about $55 to $200 for 16 gigabyte module. A particular refund based on an old price isn't enough to buy a single replacement module. No, it's not. Experts warn that manufacturers are selling off their safety stock to data centers, leaving consumers and smaller businesses with limited options and significantly higher costs for essential hardware. It's nuts what's happening. Comments down below.